P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Where is it that?
And that's it.
Cream house.
Sometimes you make mistakes. Looking for the good area, the pitch, the compression, and squeeze.
You've got a bit of head there.
Three opportunities maybe with the second phase of it.
Still an extra of a glass.
First was well read and dealt with by a good quick.
Well, he came out and then he got himself back in, didn't the youngster?
Through the corner, led by Coyle. Straight up, not like this really. Needs to be as well. Comfortable save for
Yeah, I'll tell you something, you get good head.
I was about to say that in 2 weeks.
that's the other one, McAllister.
It'd be like that fucking pint of lager.
Cleared away very nicely by Njai once again. Tom Proctor Walls who went flying in for Sunderland. They've got a whole very talented young players out there for the second half. Really Trey Samuel, the Gunslings alongside an established player, not just a really bright young thing. His press was good, forcing the hurried clearance. Irving for Austria.
Got that body to the box there for him, wasn't it? He hits the ball line and also on everything else. And there's so many players.
You got it. Be upstairs.
It came about again, or really positive pass from the one. Steady up. Really good challenge again by him. Taking the ball from Berusia.
Oh, fucking that bastard.
Oh, well, no, you've got to be yanking me pisser. There'd be a fucking thumbprint.
Like a Princess Chili con Carne print. Dirty bastards. Look at them.
We'll try that.
Oh, yeah.
Get that round your lips.
Yeah. About the beer. Modelo.
Probably Modelo. Get it in your mouth anyway. In your mouth?
Is he looking at dirty bugger?
I'll have to get it out and give it a wipe. Oh, mate. P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.